The keto diet is one of the most effective diets for losing weight. You've probably heard about the keto diet. It's the newest hype. All the papers are writing about it and the interest online is just exploding. So what is the keto diet? What does keto even mean and how is it done? In this course you will learn all you need to know. First of all, let's get this out of the way. What does the word keto and quat mean? Basically, the body can run on two different fuels. One is sugar from carbohydrates in the food we eat, and that's what most people today primarily use. Let's say if they're eating bread, pasta, rice, potatoes, etc. The keto diet is one of the most effective diets for losing weight. To get the full benefits of the keto diet, you must understand it so that you can do everything right. With this simple guide, you can learn about the keto diet and keto-friendly recipes to lose weight fast. The other fuel is fat. The keto diet is a very low-carb diet. So low in carbs that the body has to switch to mainly using fat for fuel. For example, from real foods like eggs, meat, avocados, butter, olive oil, nuts, etc. Even the brain can become fueled by fat. When the body is out of sugar, fat is converted in the liver into energy molecules called ketones that fuel the brain. And the diet that results in this is called ketogenic, meaning it produces ketones. And that's why the diet is called the keto diet. Being fueled mostly by fat, a state called and quat, ketosis and quat, has many benefits, including that you become fat-burning machine. It's perfect for weight loss without hunger, burning fat 24/7 even when you're sleeping. Because it gives you tons of energy, you'll basically never run out. Why the keto diet has become super popular in the last few years is actually not entirely new. The foundation of keto is something old that you've heard about a million times. It's a strict low-carb diet. It's a gluten-free diet. It's similar to the paleo diet, and it's very close to the old and well-known Atkins diet. The basic idea is super simple and based on real foods. You simply avoid most carbohydrates like sugar, processed junk food, bread, pasta, rice, etc. And instead you eat meat, fish, eggs, vegetables, and natural fats like butter. What is different with keto is that it's a supercharged low-carb diet where you can make sure you get the maximum benefits. We'll get to the details later. So keto is a supercharged version of an old idea. Similar diets have been tried for decades, even centuries. These similar diets keep returning more popular than ever because they work. And this could have an evolutionary explanation, as our ancestors did not eat refined carbohydrates or sugar like we do today, so our bodies may not be adapted to those foods. Modern science proves that it works. On a keto diet, most people can lose excess weight without hunger, and a number of health issues tend to improve. Most importantly, a keto diet's not just used as a temporary fix. Many people enjoy it as a long-term lifestyle, not just for weight loss, but for long-term health and well-being and staying fit year-round. Many people feel energized, full of mental clarity, and have stable blood sugar levels. Most of the hunger disappears, cravings for sweets foods are reduced, so there's no need to snack all the time anymore. People save time by being happy with fewer meals. They eat delicious food whenever they're hungry, and there's not even any need to count calories. Most people feel so satiated on toothache they can eat when they're hungry and still eat less and lose excess weight. Now, of they don't even have to exercise. Good for you for health and feeling your best, but it's not required for weight loss, and certainly not on keto. In this course you will learn exactly how to do keto, what to eat, what not to eat, and when to eat. You will learn the common problems that people experience when starting keto, the keto flu and how to avoid it. You will learn how to know if you're in keto and the simple tricks to get there. You will learn about weight loss on keto, what to expect, how to speed it up and how to break a weight loss plateau should it happen. You'll learn about the common mistakes that people make and how you can avoid them to feel great and succeed faster. You'll also hear from a number of top doctors and researchers specializing in keto and low-carb diets who truly understand it and to make sure you do eat as safely and effectively as possible. This video course will teach you everything you need to know and you can combine it with all the other keto content we have on our website dietdoctor.com. The ketogenic diet is a very low-carb, high-fat diet that shares many similarities with the Atkins and low-carb diets. Every man should get body fit. It involves drastically reducing carbohydrate intake and replacing it with fat. For body health, everyone should learn about weight loss. It's really the only place you need for everything connected to keto. We are committed to making it truly simple. You can check out hundreds of amazing recipes, including video recipes, and if you're interested, a full keto cooking show. No planning required. Just buy the food on the shopping list, cook it according to the simple instructions and enjoy eating it. You're done. And even if you have special preferences like, say, dairy-free or vegetarian keto, we still have you covered. And you can also simply construct your own custom meal plans. You can get all this for free. You can use our Fretwork Keto Challenge to get started like more than 250,000 people already have. Or for the full Diet Doctor experience. Sign up for a free 1-month trial, cancel anytime. You get full access to everything we have, all our resources. The full meal planner, our low carb TV with hundreds of amazing keto videos, including this entire keto video course. At Diet Doctor, our goal is to empower people everywhere to succeed on keto and crab like these amazing people. And quote. Whatever you're doing, continue to do. Wow. I lost 100 pounds in a year. That hunger that I've had for my entire life wasn't there. Her energy level, and much like mine, our mental well-being has improved as much as our physical health. I went from 374 pounds to 139 pounds. I would have never believed that within my lifespan I would have my life back like this. We want to make keto truly simple for you and help you succeed in reaching your goals. If you are interested in more, I'll see you in part 2, which is about a core idea behind the keto diet, how to become a fat-burning machine. For more info, must read full text to learn how to get weight loss. If you like this video, then please like and subscribe this channel. Thank you for watching.